In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to Premium in Reddit. Upgrading to Reddit Premium is a quick process, but it really helps to know exactly where to click so you don't waste time hunting through menus. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can follow along on your own account. First, open Reddit in your web browser or in the Reddit app and make sure you're logged in to the account you want to upgrade. This is important because Premium is tied to a specific account and you'll want to be sure you're upgrading the right one before you continue. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon. On the web version, this is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. It often appears as your avatar or a small profile image. On mobile, you may see it in the top right or top left, depending on your device and the app layout, but it will still be your avatar or profile picture. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu or side menu will appear. This menu contains a variety of options related to your account, such as your profile, settings, and customization tools. Take a moment to glance through the options so you get familiar with what's available there, but for now, we're going to focus on the Premium option. In that same menu, look for the option labeled Premium. On some versions of Reddit, it might be called Reddit Premium or show an icon next to it, but it will clearly mention Premium. Once you see it, click on Premium. After clicking Premium, Reddit will take you to the Premium page, where you can review what's included with the subscription. Here, you'll typically see benefits like an ad-free experience, monthly coins, and other perks. This is a good time to confirm that this is what you want and that you're on the correct account. From this page, you can proceed with the upgrade by choosing your preferred plan and completing the payment process, following the on-screen prompts Reddit provides. And that's all you need to do. Click your profile icon, select Premium, and follow the upgrade flow from there.